if I sound stopped up at all, I'm sick. I'm sorry, but we're here. And today we're making a beat for the big homie Destroy Lonely. Let's get right into it.
You just have to say that you're fine. You're not really.
I got on the Dusty Dan 3s. Yeah, my headphones been through the trenches. So I have this pattern that I was making, but I only made the first half. So I figured we can make the second half, arrange the beat, be merry. So I'll go through all the layers real fast. Here's the hi-hat. A little something, little bounce. I might add a little something right here, so it's not so bare. Like a stuttering effect. Next up, I'm gonna show the basic top level chords so far. Just a basic guitar. Unfiltered, all just the stock sound. I'm gonna add like some filtering to it later. Here's the 808. With this, I just have to attack up so it's not hitting immediately. Then that's pretty much it. No release, just hold. Then I have the kick. Might layer them too. Don't know yet. How can I forget? The lead. That is hard. I love that. I put my custom filter on it. If you want to copy it, paramedic, delay, growth beat, glitch, preset, halftime, and sound goodizer. Without it, it sounds like this. Still sounds alright, but with all the effect, like that bounce it gets, beautiful. Then I have a little accent. As you see, I'm trying to keep everything simple but nice. Keep room for the artists so they can do their thing. Now here's what the drums sound like together. So I don't want to just play like a snare and whatnot by itself. So come on now. So I have a bunch of layers, so now I'm gonna start building upon each layer. Start with the guitar, just copy it over, then maybe add like another passing note. Now I'm gonna go to my hi-hat, just loop everything over. He the hi-hat. Now same ordeal with everything. Next is the lead. I had a different sound in mind, but as y'all can see, Pigments is literally broken, just telling me state. It's a programming term for essentially broken. Stupid. Now I'm just going to replace this part with analog and just mess around. I like to go through my like sounds first and go from there. I like Bright Horizon. I want it to be like a sound that's more felt than heard. Alright, all the layers are here. I like this. I like the way it sounds. Now the next thing to do is to put everything on a track, because a lot of things are sharing tracks. So I'm gonna save. That's where I go crash again. Then the things, this is literally nothing. Comment down below, what DAW should I try next? FL is losing me. Now I'm gonna move the other sounds, like this. This is on nothing. Some has this on 2. I guess not 2. What the fuck was on 2? Alright, I don't want this on 2. I'm gonna have you on 6. I don't want it to be textured in any way, shape, or form. What I'm gonna move this to do 20. Help me! Alright, so trying to get these somewhat aligned. So for the intro, I just want the main sound, so I want this on the top. So no one duped. Holding shift will dupe it, and I do that a lot sometimes, so gotta watch out for that. But I just want these two things playing. Don't want none of this. I don't want nothing to play till right here. I want this to come in. So for this, I just want to get rid of the passing notes for the intro because it's a little much. All right, I'm finished. I just want to add some crashes. Oh, just please don't crash. If you like to hear more content like this, click this video right here. YouTube says you'll love it.